What's good, superstars? Back with another Cryptoys video. You got Superstar Joe. You got Superstar Rob in the building. How's it going, Rob? I'm drawing a shield. I'm drawing a shield, and I'm holding the shield, and you can't get through it. Oh, the force. The force is strong with this one. Guys, if you're new here, do not forget, become a superstar. Smash the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell notification so you know whenever we post about your favorite project. Today, we got a Cryptoys video coming out. It's going to be a good one. We're going to be letting you know the best way to get some utility on the Cryptoys app. This is what you got to do. This is the best way. You can also become a Superstar VIP, $2.99 a month. Hit the join button underneath the video. You get one of these cool stars next to your name anytime you leave a comment, and you're going to level up. You're going to be bragging that you're a higher tier than the person below you. And especially if you're going, if you're in opposite teams when it comes to a comment or a theory, you're going to say, you know what? Yeah, okay, we can agree to disagree, but I have a better star. It's a great perk. Also, you can get access to our drop, our price prediction spreadsheets, our drop spreadsheets, all of the good perks that come with it. First dibs on merch, and we do give away a star in the universe at the end of every single month. There's also much more utility that comes with the VIP program. You're going to hear about it in a second. If you want to follow us, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, those are our social handles, and we have the best Discord of all time in the description. Make sure you are there. There are so many good channels and things for you to do over there, and you also need it for the next slide, which I'm about to show you. But we also do have a PO box if you want to send us something and become a Superstar Hall of Famer. Superstar Utility Program. This is freshly launched. It's something that we've been doing, and we're happy to give back to the community. The Superstars can earn stars. We have a live draw at the end of every month. Accumulate stars for the chance to win prizes. All right. How to earn. We talked about it already. Be a VIP member. You're going to get 2 stars. Mint a Cryptoy with our affiliate link in the description, 1 star. Max mint Cryptoys with our link, 7 stars. Buy a Superstar Money hat, 3 stars. More to come. There's always going to be more added to this. I mean, people have been suggesting things. We've been like, you know what? That's a great idea in the Discord. So that's somewhere that you might want to go check out. We have some guaranteed prizes for July. It is Superstar Money hat, Superstar Money shirt, not this one. It's a different one. It's a white one. And Cryptoys cubes. Cryptoys has donated 5 cubes for the Superstar Utility Program for the month of July, and cannot be any more hyped to give them away. So go get your stars. Make sure that you enter with all those viable ways. And I mean, I think it's going to be a fun time. First month that we're doing it.
Yeah, I think this is going to definitely be something. It's an added utility. We'll talk about a little bit more later. But the nice thing about Cryptoys is right now there is a way that we can achieve utility on Cryptoys, and the beauty of it is that utility is something that we haven't really seen before in the space offered to us, and that is the Ultra Grail Club. Okay, so the Ultra Grail Club, you guys can always check out their website on the Ultra Grail Club. This is very interesting. Cryptoys is basically saying if you're able to get an Ultra Grail on their drops, so for example, the Star Wars drop, you will be entered into the Ultra Grail Club, and you will get access to different giveaways. You'll get access to, obviously, you're going to have this really, really cool digital toy, but then they're going to do these monthly draws. You're going to get potential merch. You're going to get Cryptoys merch. So that is true utility. When we talk about NFT projects, because in the background of these digital toys, it's all done. NFTs is kind of the engine in the background powering these digital toys. You can confirm ownership of these digital toys, and then through there, the company can offer benefits. It can offer utility. And this is something that we haven't really seen on other platforms the same way. Sometimes I know on some of my other projects, you buy these NFTs and they're offered by big companies with huge fan bases, but you just buy the NFT and that's all it is. This is actual tangible benefits of ownership. You can actually get utility and free stuff. I don't know if you scroll down a bit here, Joe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
First, sorry, go ahead.
No, go ahead.
Yeah, I was just going to say the club, basically just it outlines it on this page. Welcome to the Ultra Grail Club, home of the most elite collectors who have uncovered the rarest of the rare Cryptoys, the Ultra Grail. As a member, you'll gain access to exclusive prizes, surprise airdrops, and epic gear. Rob talked about this already. Turn your collection into a one-of-a-kind adventure and let the Ultra Grail Club take you on a ride filled with the unexpected. You can see the Ultra Grail Princess Leia right there, looking amazing as a hologram. And then the other thing, go beyond collecting. Every 90 days, a variety of redeemable perks will be available to those holding an Ultra Grail in their backpack. Rewards will change over time and could include custom Cryptoys art, Cryptoys Ultra Grail merch, and quarterly raffles for exclusive experiences, products, and more. That could be anything. So this is massive, massive utility. And this video is not just to tell you like you can be in the Ultra Grail Club. It's to tell you the best chances of getting into the Ultra Grail Club. And Rob actually has this outlined in one of our famous spreadsheets. So definitely, Rob, why don't you pull that up and go through it for us?
Listen, guys, math is fun, okay? Don't let anyone tell you otherwise, because you go to high school, you learn all these things about math, and you're like, when am I ever going to use this? Well, guess what? We just used it right now, because what is the best way mathematically to get into the Ultra Grail Club? So Cryptoys offers different drops, but based on the probabilities, the key thing about the Star Wars drop is you have a 1% chance at getting an Ultra Grail. Okay,
show that off here quickly. It does show it in their rarities here. So you can see commons are 40%, rares are 30%, legendaries are 20%, Grail 9%, Ultra Grail 1%. And we do know that each character has 10,000 additions.
Right. So 1% is a 1 in 100 chance of getting an Ultra Grail. That is not the same on the other drops on the app. The other drops on the app have a 1 in 10,000 chance. It is significantly more difficult to get an Ultra Grail. So if your goal and your sole goal is to enter this Ultra Grail Club, the best way is to buy the Star Wars Cryptoys drops. Now, if you look at the chart that we've done here, we've used binomial distribution, if you're going to get technical about it, in order to figure out the number of times we get at least one Ultra Grail in a certain number of trials. So this chart, as you can see in the x-axis, as the number of trials go up, the chances of you getting at least one Ultra Grail increases. So if you look at it, you start off at 20. If you're buying Star Wars drops, you're at an 18% chance here of getting at least one Ultra Grail. Whereas on everything else on the app, you're pretty much at 0. It is so low. I mean, it's not actually 0, but it's so close to 1 over 10,000 that you're just better off going for the 18% chance. And then the more you go for it, the more better chances you have. You go for 40 of them. Take a look at this. Now you're at 33% chance getting Ultra Grail. You go for 60 of them. Now you're at 45% chance getting Ultra Grail. And we know people who have gone for this many. And then golden number is 100. The idea is 1 in 100, but it doesn't quite work like that with probability. You actually end up with a 63% chance. Okay, it's not just because it's 1 in 100, it doesn't mean you have a 100% chance if you go 100 times. It works out to 63% chance if you go for 100 cubes to get into the Ultra Grail Club. Whereas if you compare that to everything else on the website, you get a 1% chance. So you tell me the odds. You gotta buy the Star Wars if your goal is to get the utility of the Ultra Grail Club. You just have way better odds right now of getting into it by taking this route. You can see the calculations on the left here. And then, one last thing just to mention, you guys can Google it. For all the mathematicians out there, you can look up binomial distribution and you can learn it there. It's not as difficult as it looks, I promise you, okay? If I can figure it out, so can you.
Yeah, so if you want to get the maximum utility offered by Cryptoys, the other variants, the Grail, the legendaries, those ones there, they're going to have the utility that comes with the Cryptoys app and web app as they develop it, and as they come out with the gamification, they come out with the AI, they come out with the AR. That is all utility. But if you want the maximum utility, you have to be a part of the Ultra Grail Club. And the best way to do that, as Rob mentioned, is with the Star Wars drops, and they are not sold out yet. So this is something that you could still buy into now, and you have your best odds at getting into Ultra Grail. But if you want the maximum utility to be in the Cryptoys app and all of that, the best way to do that would be to use our link, because we will be giving you stars to enter into the SUP, the Superstar Utility Program. And live drawing every month. Accumulate your stars, and the best way to do that is by buying with our link. And if you do max mint, you're not going to get a 1-to-1 ratio of stars to minting. You're going to get a couple extra. You're going to get 7 stars if you buy 5 of those Star Wars drops. Now you got the best chances to get into Ultra Grail Club. You have best chances at winning some cool prizes from the SUP. And you're going to get access to all of the other utility that comes with Cryptoys, because you're going to have hopefully the Ultra Grail and you're going to be winning some prizes. It's going to be amazing. So this is the best way to maximize utility on Cryptoys.
It's for the month of July. So if you do plan to go for maximizing your utility and you're going to be buying Star Wars holocrons in order to try to get into the Ultra Grail Club, be sure to use our affiliate link in the description below. We are Cryptoys ambassadors. We do have an affiliate link. It supports the channel, but we've now found a way to bring more utility to using that. So we thank all the people who have been using the affiliate link to support us, but now we want to give back. And the way we've done that is with the affiliate link and providing it with utility. If you join our Discord in the description below, you can actually come and we have the SUP info where you can see our tweet and you can see these slides and read over them. And what we've asked, and you can see people have already started it. Maticus the Great 777, shout out to him. He's used the link. He max minted and he purchased 5 of them. He came onto our Discord and he notified us that he used the affiliate link and he got 5. So we now will enter him with 7 stars into July's drop, and he will have an opportunity now to maybe win more holocrons, more Cryptoys cubes, or maybe one of these cool hats, right? Some more merch, some t-shirts. So this is just a way you can maximize utility. Obviously, the quality of Star Wars Cryptoys are unmatched. We've actually done a video on that. You can check it out on our channel where we've gone over the drop. We went over videos from Cryptoys where they actually took it in 3D and they rotated it around. So you guys can check that out if you want to see more on the quality of them. We know what's coming. We know Cryptoys has a lot of things planned in their pipeline. They've talked a lot about the mobile app, AR potential, AI potential, gamification potential. So we're going to probably have to redo a new utility video in the future when these things roll out. But as of right now, you've got the Ultra Grail Club, which is very, very cool with those benefits. You could check it out on the website. You also have the Superstar Utility Program so that when you go and you purchase them, you have extra utility with giveaways in the raffles. So we would really love to know your thoughts. Make sure you comment below and let us know what you guys think about gaining utility. What do you guys think about the probabilities? Is that interesting? Did it surprise you about the odds? Did you expect something different? Let us know below. Is math fun? You could let us know below. And definitely, if you haven't already, don't forget, become a superstar, smash the subscribe button, join the Superstar fan, hit the bell notification button to get every single video, every single day. We do not miss. You know we're going to post. And also become a Superstar VIP, $2.99 a month. Star Wars your name, access to our spreadsheet. Get stars for the raffle to potentially win Cryptoys cubes for you to unbox. Also merch, first dibs on merch. Want to bring as much utility as possible. Guys, thank you. Yeah.
What if they get with that raffle, they end up getting the Ultra Grail? Like that would be maximum. That would be maximum utility from that SUP.
I mean, it would be very low odds, but it is possible. It's still it's in the realm of possibility.
Extra odds.
It's all odds, right? So it's one of those things where when you raffle, if you have at least one ticket in the raffle, at least you have a chance. If you have nothing, you have 0% chance. So, guys, if you haven't already, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.
Love you. Bye.